Alright, can you dip your hands in here? And just kind of hold your hands in it and then hold it up flat. Gonna pat this on your lap, that way you won't get any drips. Yeah.
Is it not?
It should be good. Can you hold it a little more flat, please? Thank you. Alright.
Boy, that's a big one.
Big one.
Let's see how long you hold it. Okay.
Oh, one last one.
Sit there for a while. Let's add some a bit more dry ice there.
Judy, how big can you make it?
How big can I make it?
Evelyn.
Is that a challenge?
Is that a challenge?